been having problems with keeping this starter up in this light fixture. This keeps popping out. I try to push it on there and lock it in, and it just keeps popping out. So I gotta try to find a way to fasten this on there somehow so it's not coming off. I don't know if I just need to bend these tabs over or try some kind of adhesive sealer, glue, to keep these from popping off. It just keeps on popping off. So I need to find out a way to make this stay on there. Okay, now I'm going to glue this connector on. Got to snap back in place. I'm going to use this goop. I don't know if it'll work or not. It's supposed to be pretty strong. I already have it laying around. Try to get it underneath that tab really good. Put some on this side too. Now I'm going to let that cure. Then after it cures, we'll see if it'll hold these starters without the socket coming loose again. I'll get back with you after it dries. Okay, now the glue is dried. Put the starter back in the socket and see if it doesn't pop back out. Gotta get those holes lined up. This is a pain. Alright, that one's in. Put the other one in. Alright, I got the starters installed. Now I'm going to test the light fixture out before I put the cover back on. Okay, I got the starters installed, and I got the fluorescent bulbs installed, and so now I'm going to turn the switch on and see if it works. It works. So now I'm going to put the cover back on and I'll be done. Alright, now I'm just going to snap this cover back on. I gotta move this one out of the way. Alright, I got that back on. I'm finished. Alright, I got the bulbs installed and the starter covers back on. So I'm finished with this project. I'll see you on the next one.